tell. Because at Take 5, you never get out of your car. It doesn't matter what kind of horrible you smell like or how devastatingly strong it is. Just don't roll down your window too far. In this world of the new normal, we're new normal proof. Get $10 off any oil change today. While you stay in your car at Take 5, the stay in your car 10-minute oil change.
For years, you've weathered the ups and downs of life, and we've been here for you at CubeSmart with clean and convenient self-storage, a friendly smile, and a shoulder to lean on. Today, we're still here with that same care for you and your things. And now, our contact-free rentals help protect the communities we're a part of. So if you need us now or in the future, we'll be here. Because what you're storing matters, and it matters where you store it. Lock in your deal on a contact-free rental at CubeSmart.com today.
At Secret, we see you killing it, and you don't have time to sweat the small stuff. With Secret Outlast, you get 48 hours of best-in-class odor and wetness protection. So before you take out that loan to start your own business, I got this. Head to that rally, or take your bike for a ride. Start your day with Secret Outlast Antiperspirant. The only thing the world will see is your strength. Secret Antiperspirant. All strength, no sweat.
God save the prom queen, teenage daydream, just another dressed up heartbreak. God save the prom queen, only 18, turned her tears to diamonds in her gown. She's the first in line at the party, she's the first in line at the club. She's got that body, always gotta flaunt it, everybody's looking up. When she walks by, you wanna be her, and your boyfriend pretends not to see her, cause she's got that fire, doesn't even try, her booty has its own zip code. All the peasants bow down. Future, who knows what's ahead? There's a house on a hill with an indoor pool and a millionaire in her bed. And the years go by and she still dreams she's the hottest girl in town. And the makeup's stronger, gotta wear it longer just to keep a man around. God save the prom queen, teenage daydream, just another dress of heartbreak. God save the prom queen, only 18, turned her tears to diamonds in her save the prom queen. Some memories are blurred. Haven't heard your voice no more. They talk about the things we were. They talk about us, but I don't know the things that you have heard. She's dancing on your feet with our song on repeat. She painted every wall of us. She's taken off her clothes in the bed you kept me warm. Heard she's everything I never was. I'm not her, no, never will, never gonna move like her. Move like I'm not her, no, never will, never gonna look like her. Be like I'm not her. I'm not her. Me, myself, just stumbled under glue. The thing I thought was missing wasn't you. And now I'm no longer scared to meet the night. I'm doing alright. Me, myself, restarted something new. She's dancing on your feet with our song on repeat. She painted every wall of us. She's taken off her clothes in the bed you kept me warm. Heard she's everything I never was. I'm not her, no, never will, never gonna move like her. Move like I'm not her, no, never will, never gonna look like her. Be like I'm not her. I'm not her. At least that's what I've heard. Been told that she's the opposite. I kinda like the sound of it. And there's no one like me, and that makes it easier. No, I'm not her. No, never will, never gonna move like her. Move like I'm not her. No, never will, never gonna look like her. Be like I'm not her. Say I'm not her. No, I'm not her. At least that's what I've heard. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I know I messed up bad. I should've done better. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, for all the time I had to get my life together, but I didn't. 1993, you gave birth to me, sweet little baby girl, had the world at my feet. Before I could even stand, cradled me in your right and your left hand, a precious bundle of unmade plans, hopes and dreams of bigger things, a bright future, so it seemed. Oh, but that light grew a little less bright as I grew up and we began to fight. When I was 13, I was so damn mean, running away, had nothing more to say than I hate you. But that's not true now. I just don't know how to say I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I know I messed up bad. I should've done better. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, for all the time I had to get my life together, but I didn't. You never talk about me to your friends, because you must be so embarrassed. I dropped out of college without any plans. Moved back home, I couldn't even pay rent. I was living on your couch trying to figure it out, cutting myself up and tearing myself down. Mom and Dad, I know I messed up bad. I should've done better. up on the hill, take care of all your medical bills. I know I did